Hello. Welcome back to our channel after so many days. Today we are back with Windows 7 legendary desktop widgets for Windows 8 PC and later on. Most of us will love to have this lost widget back in the updated Windows. I have already installed the widgets in my desktop. You can see those are working very well. They are informative as well as it is very interactive by default. The task manager is starting soon after clicking on the widget. So, let's get started without any waste of time. Please do watch the video completely to understand the whole process better.
Game on.
At first, we have to download the widget software from the respected website. Open any of your browser, and enter the URL shown in the video at your address bar. For making it easier for you, the link has been given in the description below. We are here at the website. Here, we can see many screenshots of the software, and the installation process is given in details. Follow the process for installing the software without any hassle. Name of the widgets are given alongside the screenshots. We are watching at some of the widgets for analyzing the widget quality. These widgets look good. We can try this out. Let's start the download and go for the next steps. My browser stacked for some seconds, which made me some seconds late to open the installation setup file. Finally, the software opened. And now check out the widget. We can now modify the widgets as per our need. We can change the widget, add widget, or make the widget background transparent, etc. So, enjoy customizing your desktop with these classic widget. Thanks for watching the video. Stay safe, stay home. Don't forget to subscribe and to like the video. See you soon.